What's up, people? How's everybody doing? I'm back with another video. I'm in your screen. So what's up? This is my 4th day of my smoothie cleanse challenge, and today I'm going to break the rules a little bit. So I'm not going to make my own smoothie today. Me and my wife is going to go out a little later, and we're going to go to a place that makes smoothies, and we're going to let them make the smoothie for me with no added sugar or nothing like that. So I'm going to try to get them to make it exactly the way I need it to be, and if I can't, I'll get it as close as I can and no added sugar. So I have no idea what's going on with my voice. Excuse me. But I'm doing good. So I started on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday has passed, and I've done my juicing. So all I've had was smoothies for 3 meals a day. I've had a handful of walnuts one day, a handful of pecans one day. What else? And all I do is drink water. That's all I've done for the last 3 days. And on this program that I'm on, you do not supposed to work out. I did. I worked out on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'm not going to work out Saturday and Sunday. If I do anything, it'd be like a leisurely walk, just to get some cardio in. So my workouts consist of, I've done dips, push-ups, pull-ups. I have a pull-up bar in my house. I think I said push-ups. I've done hammers, where you get your dumbbells and you basically do it like, you know, you put them at your waist and you just lift up like this. I do hammers. I also do crunches, oblique crunches. So I pretty much do 3 sets of everything. With my push-ups, I do 3 sets of 12s or 15s. With my dips, I do 3 sets of 12s or 15. What else? My pull-ups, I do as many as I can. So basically with my pull-ups, I just do burnouts. So I do 3 sets of burnouts, and being that I'm 230 pounds, I'll do anywhere between, on a good day, I can do 5 or 6 in a row, and then I just burn out, and then I give myself some rest period, and I come back, do another burnout, but I don't let it linger. I try to get those 3 reps in within a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. I try to knock it out quickly, because the longer I take, I won't do it. And that's it. Is that everything that I cover with my workouts? Oh, and I do squats with my dumbbells, and my dumbbells are 30 pounds. I also work out my lower back with my dumbbells. I do 3 sets of those. I do 3 sets of 10s of those. And I'm pretty sure I covered everything. So like I said, today is my 4th day on my smoothie cleanse. I'm breaking rules today. I'm going to go out and see if they can make the smoothie as close to what I need it to be with no added sugar. And we're going to take you guys along. I just wanted to do a quick video and a quick update, so I can post that now so you guys can see what my results are. And today is my weigh-in. I think on Wednesday, what was I? I think I was 239. And as of right now, as you guys see in this video, I have not drank any water. I had no smoothie, no any kind of nuts, no fruit, no vegetables. I haven't put anything in my body. So right now I am empty. So I'm going to show you guys, like I did in the first video, my weight and see how much I weigh. And we're going to go from there. So I'll update you guys maybe another 2 days, another 3 days. Alright? 1 minute. Well, not 1 minute, 1 second. Let me weigh myself. So if you guys saw that, on Wednesday I think I was 239. As of right now, with nothing in my stomach, empty belly, I am wearing 233. So I'm pretty sure once I have my smoothie and put some water in me, I'll probably go up to about, my weight fluctuates anywhere between 3 to 5 pounds. So before the day is out, I'll probably be, I don't know, maybe 237, because all the water I'm going to drink and then the smoothies I'm going to drink, and I'll probably have a handful of walnuts, and yeah. So that's how my weight fluctuates. I do feel lighter. I do feel better. And I did realize on that third day of me trying to work out, I started feeling weak. So if anybody is trying to do JJ Smith 10-day smoothie cleanse challenge, I advise you not to work out. I wouldn't do it. I did it because I thought I could, but Wednesday I felt good, Thursday I felt good, and on Friday I felt a little weird. Doing my push-ups and my dips and pull-ups, I felt a little weird. So I didn't have enough energy. So I advise you guys, if you do pick up JJ Smith book or whatever, and you guys do this 10-day cleanse smoothie challenge, I advise you not to work out. I wouldn't do it. So from here on out, I'll just do small. I'll walk around my neighborhood just to get some cardio in, just to do something. But that heavy stuff that I was doing from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no, I ain't doing it. So whether I fail or succeed, I will update you guys in another 2 days or whatever. Alright? You guys have a nice day. Have a blessed day. Hey, and enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. Peace.